Hello guys, good morning. Inom tayo ng mainit na tubig na may kalamansi. Maganda raw sa katawan to tuwing umaga iinumin. Asin. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. God bless.